going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your username on Spotify, and it's pretty simple. So follow these steps and let me show you guys how you guys can do it. So first, you want to open your Spotify and log in into your Spotify account. After you log in into your Spotify account, you can click on the setting icon over here. You can click on it. After the setting opens up, so there's two ways to do it. The first is to connecting your Spotify account to Facebook. Once you connect your Spotify account to your Facebook, what happens is your Facebook profile picture and your Facebook profile name will be added to your Spotify. And once you change your Facebook, username, then your name on Spotify will be changed as well. That's one way to do it. And the another way to do it is you click on the setting icon. Once you're on your setting, you want to click on where it says 𝐘𝐨𝐿𝐿 or where it says view profile. Click on it. Once you're on view profile, you want to click on where it says edit profile. Once you're in your edit profile, now you can change your username over here. So you can click on where it says 𝐘𝐨𝐿𝐿, and for you guys, you can click on where it displays your name, and you can cross it and change it to whichever name you want. So let's say I want 𝐘𝐸 only. So I just want 𝐘𝐸. So after typing my name, I can click on save, wait for some time, and my name has been changed. So that's basically how you guys can change your username on Spotify. So that's basically it. The first way is to connect your Facebook account. The other way is to manually change it just like I did. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful.